So what's good, guys? So welcome to live trading session with XUC. So right now I'm looking at about a couple of pairs this week. Right now top interest right now is on GPUSD. So currently, quick breakdown. This pair at is currently having a bit of a range, but within this range, you guys can see on the monthly time frame. Whenever we have the retest here, we then have the beautiful bullish engulfing. Let's see a retest here, beautiful bullish engulfing, and currently we're having the retest. And this is going to close in a couple of hours from now. So of course, I'm anticipating for the next couple of candlesticks to be bullish and the huge bullish push to happen next, of course. And you guys can see right here, we had a beautiful bearish push to the downside. Then we had a huge bullish push. You can see a huge bearish push. I'm expecting the bullish engulfing just like we had here. Exact same thing I'm anticipating on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is currently very bullish right now, right? Daily time frame is currently bullish, having beautiful retest of the previous structure points. Nice double bottom formation right here. You guys can see this right here. Nice double bottom formation right there. On the 4 hour time frame, we're currently bullish as well, creating a beautiful bullish engulfing candlestick. Yes, it hasn't yet closed, and I'm trading currently out of session. I'm gonna be honest with that with you guys. So I'm gonna be still taking the trade anyways, right? No risk, no reward. Of course, I'm breaking my trading plan. I set the risk. If it goes well, no problem. So my stop loss is gonna be a bit 1.32007, and I'm currently buying. So I'm going to enter this trade right now, you guys. So this is on GPUSD, confirm. So just executed the trade right now on my $10,000 account. We're currently in some drawdown. So you guys can see that here. You guys can see it. It's a $10,000 account. So I'm currently in some drawdown, trading out of session. Let's see. I'm looking for anywhere from 1 to 2.4 risk reward. And yeah, risk reward could be greater depending on how price acts, right? We could anticipate that price could easily break above this point right here, right? And maybe have kind of like an entry right around here. Okay, something like this. Let me see. Right, you have two entry points, exit points, right? So the first take profit area is around here on this daily time frame around here, and the next point is around here for one to almost a 1 to 4. So let's just see what happens. I'm risking 1% of the account. So yeah, I'll get you guys. Time right now is currently 5:24. It's currently Tuesday. So I'll get you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Guys, so welcome to day 3 actually, because I started this breakdown on Tuesday. So it's currently Wednesday, 11:50. So good morning, guys. So right now on GBUSD is how we're currently looking on the 4 hour time frame. We're currently loading up a beautiful high and low from this point. This would have been my entry if I had waited, but still we had a decent entry in my opinion, right, of this bullish engulfing. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue holding this trade. Currently I just don't like the way the daily is right now. I would prefer if the daily time frame can close as a bullish engulfing or close as a bullish candlestick. I would prefer that, right? In my opinion, because this isn't looking as clean, right? I'm not too comfortable with this candlestick patterns that are forming right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to hold. Of course, I love the fact that the monthly time frame had the closure above this point right here, because you can see whenever we have the closure above, we have the huge bullish push, closure above, bullish push, closure above. Of course, I'm anticipating the bullish push, so which we're gonna capitalize off because we're currently on the trade. So basically, this is the only pair I'm interested in. NZUSD still waiting for the pullback. You guys can see here. Still waiting for the pullback, yet to have the pullback. USD CHF still waiting for the pullback, yet to have the pullback. So right now, my major focus right now is on GBP So update you guys a couple of hours from now. Let's see what happens. So currently, right now, I'm up $145 right now. So you guys can see that here. See that here. So I'm currently up right now. So I'm going to continue to hold. I think we're having NFP news today because tomorrow is going to be bank holiday so for the USD. So I think we might be having NFP today. But in any case, I'm going to continue holding my trade position, and maybe I might break even if we get up to a 1 to 2. Right. So I'll update you guys a couple of hours from now. Let's see what happens. Guys, we just ended up closing our position on GBP USD around $230. You guys can see that here, $230. So what is my decision and why did I close out the trade? Because if you guys probably were watching, I was actually anticipating this to have we have a much more bigger move than this, right? This is not, yes, this is ideal move I expected, but I expected to have way up to 1 to 4. And the reason why was simply because price has done it before. But one thing you guys have to take in consideration is that price, yes, price could repeat itself, but every moment is unique. Every trading moment is unique because it happened now doesn't mean it's going to happen again. And that's one thing you guys fail to understand in trading. Not only that, tomorrow we're having the US Independence Day. So happy independence to the US. And not only that, there's going to be no trading activity tomorrow for the US, meaning that, of course, that is a very unideal time to be trading. Banks are not going to be trading. Why do you think you're going to be trading? Of course, there's not going to be much momentum in the markets, especially as I'm trading a USD based pair. So that's the reason why I decided to close on my trade. And also, technically speaking, we are currently at a resistance level. Now, yes, because price has broken this level previously multiple times, this doesn't mean that price is obviously going to break here. Like, let's just be honest. This is a strong resistance point. If we go over to the weekly, you can see times whereby price is respected here when we're above, under we respect here quite often. So maybe price might end up having the closure right around this point. Next week, we then wait for a break and a retest again. So, of course, I believe this move isn't yet over, but I think this is the best time to ideally close the trade, right? And honestly, I don't really like this price action right here. This could easily close like this, and you're just gonna be looking at yourself like, yo, I would have taken profits earlier. Well, it comes with experience, and yes, not good experiences, bad experiences for you to get good experiences. You get what I mean, right? So hope you guys were able to learn from this live trading. Hope you guys are able to watch to the end. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, love and appreciate you guys. And as usual, bye for now.